Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we will talk about 10 best women's perfume with buying guides and reviews. Perfume is integral to personal relationship as it becomes part of one's identity and forges position associate between loved ones. Finding your dream perfume can bring happiness and confidence. With many scents, every woman can discover her signature scent. Here is a selection of the 10 best women's fragrances. Each offer distinct notes for lasting impression while being suitable for different preferences or events, making finding that special something even more accessible. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Mitchell Kors Wanderlust for Women 3.4 Oz UD Perfume Spray. Features the fragrance of a floral and spicy scent profile. Long-lasting formulas ensure fragrance stay throughout the day. The packing is stylish and attractive, making it gift worthy, suitable for both the daytime wear and evening occasion alike. Boost confidence and elegance. Number 2. Vera Wang Princess Idiot Toilet Spray for Women Vanilla 3.4 full ounce. Features long-lasting fragrance suitable for day or evening wear. Elegant and attractive packing make it a great gift option. A versatile scent with floral and fruity notes appeal to many at affordable price compared to other designer perfume in the market. Number 3. Latafa Yara for Women ED Perfume Spray 3.40 ounce 100 milliliter. Features offer a long-lasting fragrance that lasts all day. The scents are unique and receive compliments for others. Affordable pricing, making it accessible to a wide range of customers. Versatile and suitable for any occasion. Unique and captivating scents. High-quality ingredients. Number 4. Versus Bright Crystal for Women 1.0 ounce ED toilet spray. Features the packing is luxurious and add a touch of sophistication. Bright Crystal offer a long-lasting floral fruity fragrance experience, versatile fragrance suitable for various occasions and seasons. Producing a more refined and luxurious perfume, this perfume is incredibly versatile. Number 5. Versus Italian turquoise for Femi 3.4 is Oz ED toilet spray. Features provide a burst of refreshing energy, scent ideal for daily wear or evening, adding an alluring touch that complements every outfit and meet unique blend of freshness. A beautifully designed bottle add a touch of elegance to vanity. Number 6. Versus Bright Glister Absolo Audit Perfume Spray 3.0 ounce. Features stand out as one of the best women's perfumes. Bright Glister Solo offer long-lasting floral fruity fragrance notes. The scent is elegant and suitable for both day and evening. The bottle design is luxurious. It evokes a feeling of confidence and femininity when worn. Number 7. Versus a Rose Pure Femme Audi Perfume Spray 3.4 ounce. Features versatile, fragrance suitable for day or night wear. A unique blend of notes create a captivating and sensual aurora. The bottle design reflects Versace's commitment to a luxury and style, remain memorable, leaving a lasting impression whether you go. Number 8. Elizabeth Taylor perfume, women's perfume, white diamonds, Eau Toilette EDT, separate 3.3 full ounce. Features offer a timeless appeal with its elegant fragrance profiles, provide confidence and a touch of glamour that lasts, provide value without compromising on quality and elegance, offer unique signature scent that stand out, embodies grace and elegance in every spray. Number 9. Daisy by Marc Jokubas for women Airdiv toilet spray 1.7 full ounce. Features Stacy by Mark Jobos has a Jacobos Jacobs has a feature floral fragrance profiles. Its long-lasting scents stay noticeable throughout the day. The packing is elegant, featuring a charming desi design. It received compliments from others for its beautiful aroma, exquisite scent compositions. Number 10 Versace Dylan Purple for Women 3.4 ounce EDP spray feature Dylan Purple offer a long-lasting and captivating fragrance experience. The scent is vibrant and fresh, perfect for daily wear. The bottle design is luxurious and eye-catching. It has good silage, leaving a pleasant trail of fragrance, a symbol of modern femininate, feminite. Now we are going to share some customer feedback and screenshot on the screen. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose a good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our officially website www.bestpurchasepro.com/women's perfume slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.